Hi guys, welcome back. Bebe Essentials here. Today I'm gonna be using this mirror that I bought for $2 from my local thrift store and this plywood that I got from my garage. I'm gonna create something special for you guys. If you are new to the channel, welcome and please subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. For my subscribers, thank you and welcome back. Thank you for your support. And guys, today I'm gonna be using a couple stuff that I bought from here and there. I bought me a blue pocket rhinestone on sales from Joann's Fabric, and I also got me a glass octagon rhinestone from Amazon, and you guys gonna love this piece. Again, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. All right, we are done. Now let's show you guys many ways you can use it. You can use it different ways. And thank you for watching my videos. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so right now. And that means a lot to me. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. Please, if you have any questions or comment or you need anything, comment below, or you can email me at bbessentials1@gmail.com. Thank you guys. Until next time.